Hi, Graeme Shevas from Playfair Finance. Now, I help Scottish manufacturing companies to release money from their sales invoices in order to improve their cash flow. I've been in business for over 30 years, and the question certainly I'm getting asked most often at the moment is, how do I improve my cash flow now that my customers are finding it hard to pay their bills? So here's my best advice. If you are in the Scottish business-to-business sector, you're raising invoices for your goods or services. Now, you're going to wait 45 to 60 days on average to get payment for those invoices. If you have had a downturn in trade as a result of the coronavirus, then you will either be raising limited invoices or no invoices at all, which means that in the next few months, your cash into your business is going to be significantly reduced. Now, you may well have enough money to see you through to the period when we can get back to some kind of normality. But when your cash has dwindled, when you start raising invoices, you're going to have to wait another 45 to 60 days to get paid. So you're going to have a bigger funding gap than the actual business interruption period. So how do you fund that gap? Well, this is where Invoice Finance and potentially the Coronavirus Business Interruption Loan Scheme can help. What would happen is when you raise a sales invoice, if you had an invoice finance facility, you would see 85 to 90% of the value of that invoice in your bank account within 24 hours, which obviously improves your working capital and cash flow and allows you to meet your expenses. Now, this is something that I specialize in. It's a simple process to apply. You only need to provide your information once. You provide it to me, and what I do is I take it out to the market to find you the most appropriate provider and deal, and that will be based on your sector, your turnover, and how your business has been trading. You only have to apply the once, as I say. We find you the best deal, and the best part is that it doesn't actually cost you any money, and the fee for ourselves is actually paid for by the provider. So I hope you found that helpful. If you are a Scottish manufacturing company and you are interested in looking into Invoice Finance, you can get a hold of me on my mobile 07776 257 342, or you can email me graham@playfairfinance.co.uk. That's Graeme, Graeme, or you can visit my website www.playfairfinance.co.uk.